One of the things that I found out with the problem with my knee was that my balance is really bad. Some of the therapy that I was taking was actually balance exercises. And that was a big eye-opener because like I said, I am not very balanced. So on the Wii, I do all the balance things. I'm the winner all the time because I'm the only one, but it's just a fun thing, and I know that it's helping me strengthen. But I didn't know that that was my problem. I didn't know that it was a balance problem. I didn't know that I had to have stronger leg muscles in order to be balanced. I wasn't aware that all of that went together.
I can vacuum, I can change the sheets on my bed. Before I had to get somebody to come, always calling my daughter, always calling my best friend, come and put the new sheets on my bed. So now, for me to be able to do that, I credit that to Madden Physical Therapy and the fact that they know that they can help you. If you just think I can't do it, a lot of it is mind over matter. I can do it.
It was awesome. I mean, every year it's awesome. Every year just to be able to, you know, step out at the ice on Giant Center ice, you know, like the pros do. And it's you know, an awesome feeling to be able to step out there and, you know, you look up and you see the crowd and, you know, everybody's there for you and everybody's there, you know, in support of what you're there doing. You know, the families of officers that were killed that year as well as in years past, I mean, they're there to see you, you know, you're there to do this for them. So it's always awesome every year doing it to begin with. But just knowing that, you know, in 2 weeks I was able to do this, where, you know, and I'm out there skating around thinking, well, you know, 2 weeks ago I'd have been behind the bench, staying there coaching, helping out, whatever.
The one thing that's unique about our clinic is we provide hands-on treatment and we provide exercise. And the goal from day one when somebody walks into our clinic is that eventually, in a very short period of time, they are able to manage their problem and continue the healing process at home. Our goal isn't to see somebody forever and ever and ever. Our goal is that within a short period of time, they can be completely independent of the therapist, needing the therapist and the hands-on treatment, and that they can be exercising at home, and that they can keep that up. Now, does everybody do their home exercises forever? I doubt it. But if they fall off the track and they need help again getting moving the way that they were before, they come back in. It's usually 1 or 2 treatments. We put them back together and they go back out again and get rehooked up on their exercise program.
It was a joy to come. It really was. And I'm eternally grateful because I don't have any pain anymore. I mean, to think that I can not, oh, my back, oh, my hips, oh, my legs. I don't do that anymore. I don't even think about that anymore.
I just went sleigh riding. I spent the weekend sleigh riding. It was fun. I wouldn't have been able to do that before.
Still no problems. I had my follow-up appointment with the orthopedic surgeon yesterday, and you know, he said, no, we don't need surgery. You know, at my age, with, you know, it's going to be that way. You know, it's going to be the scar tissue is going to build up in there, and you know, my range of motion is never going to be 100%, but you know, I don't need it to be. And you know, he's happy with the progress, and he said, no, we don't need to do surgery. We don't need to do anything. I don't need to see you anymore, you know, unless you have problems down the line. So I've been, you know, discharged from physical therapy, discharged from under the orthopedic surgeon's care, and you know, no problems. So and that's good. You know, that's a good feeling.
Since I finished my therapy and I do my exercises 4 times a week at home, my son and daughter that are on the West Coast have offered to take me on a cruise to Alaska on May the 29th. And I would have never thought I could do it. Never. If something would happen to me at any time, you know, you never know from day to day if I would have a car accident or You know, if something would happen to me, this is the first thing I would ask after I was able to get on my feet is, please let me go to physical therapy at Madden's. They'll fix me. They'll know what to do. I have that trust and I have that faith.
Terry that recommended me to here, he has gone to different physical therapists in the past. He has had multiple orthopedic injuries being a career firefighter. So I knew him recommending Madden was, you know, it set me at ease, and him saying this was the best place to go, and then, you know, there was no question this is where I was going to go. So, and I'm glad I did. You know, he steered me in the right direction.
I know that I'm always going to have a problem, and I know that I'm going to have setbacks. And I hope through the exercises and the stretching and the techniques that I've been taught that I don't ever need to have surgery, or I don't need to return to therapy. If I do have to, I will definitely come back to Madden.
No, I would recommend this to anybody. I really and truly would. You know, if physical therapy is going to work, 50% of it is you wanting it to work. The other 50% is trusting the people that you go to say, how can I fix it? Make it right for me. And this is what they do here.
Our therapists, they're trained to help people determine what they're having trouble with day to day and what their goals are, and then they're trained to provide effective treatment, effective physical therapy to address the cause of that problem so they do get their life back, so they can go back to the recreational activities, whether it's camping out or canoeing or hiking, or perhaps even walking through the grocery store, or getting in and out of their car without pain, or lifting their child or their grandchild, running a vacuum cleaner. Whatever it is that they're looking for to get their life back, we can help them do that.
Madden Physical Therapy gave me back my life.
Madden Physical Therapy gave me back my life.
Madden Physical Therapy gave me back my life.
At Madden Physical Therapy, our goal is to help you get your life back.